Pebble trouble. Little green SUV is on a road trip. Look at him. He's powerful, he's fast, and can go anywhere. Plus, he's very comfortable. Our friend looks happy. I think it's because he's heading for the beach. SUV is an all-terrain vehicle. It means it has all four-wheel drive. Our little green SUV goes fast. He's in such a hurry he forgets to keep a safe distance. Oh dear, what should we do? It's not safe to go further. With that crack, our green SUV can't see the road very clearly. And what if the windshield breaks? It's not allowed to drive without a windshield. And what about the rain? Water will get inside. Who could help? BiBi, that's who!
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Hey there! Looks like you're in trouble. What happened? And so the green SUV told BiBi about the accident. How the pebble hit him right in his front window. Uh-oh, that must have been scary. But this windshield wouldn't crumble, because all modern windows are made of laminated glass. Right now, special kind of organic glue holds your window pieces together. It keeps them from falling apart. Don't worry, we'll fix you. Isn't that right, guys? First, we should remove the broken glass. Now we must pick the right windshield. Will you help us pick the windshield, guys? Hooray! Let's see. Is this the windshield we're looking for? No? Yeah, I don't think so. What about this? I didn't know we're building a boat. That's it. Now we must put it in place. Almost done. By the way, do you know there's a rule that says you can't tint all the windows? It's against the rules. But the visor stripe on top of the windshield is allowed. It protects the drivers from the sunny beams. On the sunny days, it makes them see clearer. I think our green SUV needs one of those. Yeah, let's put one on. Which visor stripe should we choose? Maybe this one. Nope, we can't use that much, remember? What about this visor stripe? Better but far from perfect. It's right in the middle of the window. It will distract the driver. Yep, just what we need. Let's put it on. Hooray! All done. You can hit the road now. And remember to keep the distance, my friend. It is very important rule. See ya! Thanks to BiBi, our green SUV got a new window and could drive safely. Now he knows that keeping distance is important. Another day, another car's problem solved. Thanks, BiBi! What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
Trouble with crane. Today, BiBi's going to construction site to make sure all the cars work well. Uh-oh, looks like something bad just happened. It's the truck crane. It's broken. What should we do, BiBi? Can you help?
Of course.
Sure.
Ho!
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Well. Your winch is broken. Let's get you a new one.
Is this the one?
Nuh-uh. Looks like a yo-yo toy.
How about this one?
This rope is better, but it still's not what we need.
Let's try this.
Yay! Hold on a second. I'll get you a hook. Okay. And now let's see how you can handle it. Hey, wait a minute. There's something wrong with your hydraulic motor. Let's see. You need a new one. Let's get it. So, can you guys see what we need? Right! There it is! Let's fix it, friends! Come on, try and pick something up! Oh, oh no! Okay, put me down! Let's back to work! Whoa! Oh, it's time to build a crane! Are you ready? First, we should do the concrete footing to make sure our crane don't fall. Then, our friend truck crane will help us to put together a few sections. They are fixed together with the parts called mounting fingers. After a few segments are set, it's time to put a climbing section. Climbing section goes up and down. After that's done, it's time for operator's cap and a turntable, to which we will fix this long jeep, as well as the counter jeep in the back. Both cars are made on the ground and later put up. It's good we have our friend truck crane. It helps us a lot. It puts parts into the climbing section and the crane builds itself and gets higher and higher. Once it reaches the correct height, it stops. Because we're building a skyscraper, our crane should be very high.
Wow, BiBi, that is very interesting, especially now when everything goes according to plan. It's so great that you could help us. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And so finally the crane was ready to build. Everyone is really happy. Soon the skyscraper will be finished, but until then, there's plenty of work to be done. So let's not be lazy and get back to work.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
BiBi helps the truck. Spring festival time is coming, and as always, all the girls and women will receive flowers this day. Some of those flowers will be brought by our friend Truck. It just came from the south where there are many flower farms. Now is in a rush to bring the flowers in time for the festival. Look how dirty this guy is. Police officers will never let it come into town. They say the license plate isn't visible. Don't worry, we'll find a car wash, no problem.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here, cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Good day. How can I help?
And so the truck told BiBi about the flowers and how he was in a rush, coming all the way down from the south, trying to be on time. He said it got really dirty and that policemen couldn't let him in.
I see.
And that's why it needed to have a good shower.
Oh. Well, let's wash ya. Please. Let's see. First, we need to wash your dirty wheels. Great! The dirtiest part of any car is its bottom. Let's give it a good wash. Cool! Now we can wash your body and the cabin. We're gonna use some foam as well. Awesome! As we've done here, let's have a look-see. Oh! I'll tell you what. Why don't we make you shine? Let's polish you. So, what should we choose?
How about this?
No, that's my teddy bear. What's it doing here?
How about this one?
This can work, but it'll take quite a bit of time. And we don't have much time.
And what's this?
The polishing machine is just what we're looking for. Looks like that's it. Let's check the plate once again. Good, you're ready. Go hit the festival.
The truck was so happy to be clean again. It thanked BiBi and was on its way.
Good luck.
And so the truck went back into town where he met the same police car. The police car didn't even recognize it because it was so clean. And the truck visited every flower shop it intended to visit. All the flowers were alright. On the way back, the truck felt great. It was happy about the weather and happy surrounding atmosphere.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.